Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today, I'm going to show you how to hide desktop icons in Windows. Hiding desktop icons can help you create a cleaner workspace, improve focus, and reduce distraction when working on important tasks. So if this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. To start, right-click anywhere on your desktop where there are no icons. So I'm clicking on the right button from my mouse. And after then, in the context menu that appears, hover over View. In the sub-menu, you will see an option labeled Show Desktop Icons. If this option is checked, it means your desktop icons are currently visible. To hide them, simply click on this option to uncheck it. And just like that, all your desktop icons will disappear. And if you want to show your icons again, just repeat the same steps and check the show desktop icon options. And that's it. You have successfully hidden your desktop icons in Windows and making them visible again. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX and hit that like button for more real-time problem-solving videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.